Hello friends, this is Sasibhushan Rao, Director, Satya Group of Educational Institutions, Vijayanagaram, motivational speaker and corporate trainer and life skills coach. Friends, today I want to talk to you about a very good book, latest book on leadership. This book is right now in my hand. The title is The Roaring Lambs. You may get surprised how lambs can roar. The lion should roar, no? But the title of this book is The Roaring Lambs, a fable about finding the leader in you, written by Sridhar Bevara. Friends, you should know about this book. This book is adjudged as the best-selling book on Amazon in the category of self-help and leadership, ending December 31st, 2021. We all should be so proud that Sridhar Bevara is from our great country, India, and he is from the state of Andhra Pradesh. Friends, this book is based on the storyline. We all heard this great statement from Alexander the Great. Alexander said that, "I am not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep. I am afraid of an army of sheep led by a lion." Sridhar Bevara sir has taken this statement and written this book on leadership in a fable form. We must start from page 1. We should go one after the other and it will end on page number 178. The story goes like this. There is one lion, which is the king of the forest, by the name Kaiser. Unfortunately, even though it is very strong, it was misled by a lamb, Shaka. Shaka lamb is one of the minister in King Kaiser Lion Council of Ministers. So how the Shaka has become advisor and all, it is there in this book. But one thing we should know, that if we are not heeding to good advices, but if you are listening to bad advices, even though as a king, as a leader, you are powerful, you will meet your bad end. Friends, this king is misled by lamb Shaka and then very frequently attacks all the lambs every 2 weeks. So that what happened is the lamb population is dwindling down. The lambs, they are thinking about the way out, so how to protect themselves. Friends, we have heard the story that if we corner a cat, a normal cat, in a room to the corner, the cat will fight and it will become a lion. So we have heard that. Okay, the same thing happened in this story. As the lambs are facing the challenge of extinction, they group together, and then it so happens that one lion by name Kisan has come to their risk, and then it will lead these lambs against the King Kaiser, and then ultimately defeats King Kaiser. Friends, this is a story like a Bahubali. When you are reading the story, and then reading leads to imagination. Now for me, it is like the film Bahubali. The author, the way he described the environment, the character, the grandeur and all, it resembles me the Bahubali film. I congratulate Sridhar Bevara garu for the way he has written this book. the words he has chosen and all. Friends, it so happened that I met Sridhar Barwa garu personally. I invited him also to our Seetham College. He interacted with our students. He also interacted with our NCC cadets. Friends, this book talks about coordination, cooperation, collaboration, commitment, communication, team spirit, planning and execution. Now we can defeat anyone, we can defeat the mighty if all are united. Now the lambs, they are able to coordinate and then bring together all the other animals. That includes the lions, the giraffes, the tigers, even the birds, even the tribes living in the forest. Friends, I strongly recommend to go through this book. The center point of this book is we all should be law-abiding citizens. Even though it is a jungle, jungle has a law of jungle. What it says that, I stress, what it says that the world has enough to meet our needs, not our greeds. So here, the lions, they are going beyond and then hunting the helpless lambs. So the helpless lambs, they come together, they are able to find once again a leader in the name of a lion, Kisan. This Kisan lion coordinates all these things, plans all these things, and then attacks the King Kaiser and then defeats the King Kaiser, and then Kisan becomes the new king of the forest. Friends, it is so exciting to read this book. If you want to introspect yourself, so what is going on in your organization, to whom you are listening, what advices you are taking, or the advice are right or wrong, okay? As a leader, you must have that discretion. You should not be emotionally involved with anyone. Okay? Whoever gives the advice, take it and then analyze that advice, and then whatever the good of the organization, we need to follow that advice. This particular book is very, 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 very interesting read. I strongly recommend. Before I end how a lamb has roared, I want to end with the statement in this book on page number 178. It says that we have proved that even the meek can roar as loud as the strongest when push comes to shove. Friends, in this new year 2022, on this Sankranti Eve, I strongly recommend you purchase this book. This is available online, especially on Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, whatever the sources, online it is available. A good discount also you are getting. I strongly recommend you to purchase this book and then improve yourself, improve your organization. Happy reading. Thank you very much. Signing off, your Majji Sasibhushan Rao, Director, Satya Group of Educational Institutions, Vijayanagaram, Motivational Speaker, Corporate Trainer and Life Coach. Thank you very much.